I hurt my finger, so I'm gonna check out these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. I have this little set of finger braces because I jammed this finger, and I tell you what, I'm kind of stupid and stubborn, and I heard it like 4 weeks ago, and I tell you, it still hurts. And I realized that I haven't been doing anything to baby my finger at all. I've just continued to use it, and the fact that it still hurts and pops and feels a little weird, I probably should see a doctor, but I didn't. But I did pick up these because I thought maybe I could just brace it with this and let my finger recover a little bit. This is a 3-pack of finger braces, and what you get here are 3 different sizes. So you get a long, medium, and short, so you can find that perfect Goldilocks one. I want to show you that the long one here is about as long as my index finger. I have medium-sized hands, so it actually looks like it's long enough for a large hand. The outside case here, and like the middle size, is aluminum or some sort of alloy, and the blue is just a plastic that you can peel off. But what I was interested is this little tiny one. You can see that it only has one strap that goes around. It's a little Velcro strap, so I can remove it here, and it goes all the way around and is held in place with a little bracket right there. You can pull off this blue plastic covering so it doesn't look so bluish. And inside what we have is a foam. So it's just kind of like that. So I could slip my finger in here, so you shouldn't get any wear or pressure points from the metal. And it's very light. This, like I said, aluminum alloy or whatever, seems very light. So I could put it on like that, and now I can just wrap this around my finger here. That should brace it in place so that I don't have to worry about it moving. I really don't feel like it's painful until, you know, I try to grab something or knock it up against something. So that'll just hopefully allow it to heal without causing me any discomfort. Tell you what, if you want to pick up this 3-pack of finger braces because you jam your finger playing basketball, or maybe you were digging up your nose for that perfect booger, whatever it might be, I think you can use it, and they're really cheap. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter von Panda, out.